Topic 4 this season looks at two changes made to the administration of cards in the law changes. We're going to review missed assistant referee help and the allowance for quick restarts and subsequent misconduct administration. The first change covered in this topic is rules regarding a missed attempt by the assistant referee to notify the referee of misconduct. Prior to this year, all delayed misconduct had to be dealt with at the next stoppage, including misconduct noted by an assistant referee but not seen by the referee. If something happened behind the play that the AR saw, the AR was required to raise the flag immediately and stand at attention and remain at attention. The AR had to make sure that the referee halted play at the next stoppage and notify the referee of the misconduct. If the AR failed to raise the flag or the referee allowed play to restart before seeing the AR at the next stoppage, the crew could no longer come back to punish the misconduct. Not anymore. The only stipulation that Law 5 now makes is that the AR must attempt to notify the referee at the next stoppage. If play restarts because the referee did not notice the attempt, the misconduct can subsequently be punished at the ensuing stoppage because the AR tried to let the referee know. It is important for assistants to make an attempt to notify the referee at each stoppage and prevent the match from proceeding. The second change is the concept of advantage from a challenge that would normally result in a card, in which a foul is called. Previously, the referee was required to hold up all restarts in order to make sure misconduct was administered. However, the law has been modified to allow the fouled team to take the restart quickly if 1. The restart is a free kick. This delayed card can only be applied from a foul, not from a boundary line restart. 2. The ensuing free kick must create a scoring opportunity. If no such opportunity exists, the restart should be turned ceremonial and the card shown. And 3. The referee may not be engaging either team, causing either team to think that the restart might be held up. If these three conditions are met, the referee may allow the free kick to be taken quickly and then come back and administer the misconduct the next time the ball goes out of play. One corollary to this change: if the foul in question is a dog-so foul that would result in a sending off, say a defender pulls down an attacker clean in on goal from 30 yards, and the referee allows for a quick restart to create a scoring chance, the ensuing card given can only be yellow. You cannot issue a send-off for denying a goal-scoring opportunity if you subsequently allow a quick restart that restores the goal-scoring opportunity. You can still come back to the card, but it becomes a caution for stopping a promising attack, no longer a red card for dog-so. If you have any further questions on this topic, don't hesitate to contact us through www.minnesotasrc.com.